It's a never-ending construction, an evil testament to destruction. Annihilating archaeology serves no function but to create concrete monoliths to serve no God. As we stand here at this junction, there is no ceasing of corruption. And this society's profound dysfunction is but a pretense that serves no God. Our souls cry, release us from this toxic dungeon. Free us from capitalist seduction. Apathy is but an abdication of deduction, a laziness that serves no God. Do they think that we will simply stand with no interruption? Allow beauty and antiquity to turn to mass production? And birds are killed and buildings fall? All because of actions that serve no God? No. Let this be the eruption, creativity and inquiry's induction. We shall share our instruction because we have the wit, the talent, the drive, the gumption. And our children know thought, love, and logic's function, remembering this generation's erectile dysfunctions. And together we will overturn these heartless obstructions, erasing perplexing misconstructions, creating castles of active language and percussion. And together we will serve God.